Hello everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check your Reels history on the Facebook app. So let's get started. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your device. Tap on three horizontal lines located at the top bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down through the menu options. Then, find and tap on Activity Log. While there isn't a direct option to see your Reels history, you can view the Reels you've interacted with, such as those you've liked, commented on, or saved. For liked Reels, tap on Interactions and select Like and Reactions. You can also check interactive videos and comments in this section. For saved Reels, scroll down further and click on Groups, Events, and Reels. In this section, you can see the Reels you've saved. So, that's all. You've now learned how to access and view your Reels history on the Facebook app, including like Reels and save Reels. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!